When it comes to deploying AI models at scale, Jenkins might feel like an old school hero. But Argo CD is where to rewrite the rules. Let's break down why it's no contest. Artificial intelligence deployments isn't just pushing code. It's about managing multiple ML models, their dependencies, and ensuring reproducibility. Jenkins, while versatile, wasn't designed with this complexity in mind. Argo CD, it thrives in Kubernetes native environments, making it ideal for modern AI workflows. AI deployments are all about version control of code, models, and infrastructure. Argo CD leverages GitOps, where your Git repository becomes a single source of truth. This means every change is tracked, auditable, and rollback friendly. Jenkins, it can integrate with Git but lacks the seamless GitOps experience. AI deployments typically involve Kubernetes clusters for scaling and orchestration. Argo CD integrates directly with Kubernetes, monitoring live stats and ensuring deployments match your desired states. Jenkins, on the other hand, relies on plugins and custom scripts to interact with Kubernetes, adding layers of complexity. As AI workflows grow, scaling becomes critical. Argo CD handles complex multi-cluster environments out of the box. Jenkins, it can scale, but managing agents, nodes, and pipelines adds significant overhead. Jenkins pipelines can feel like a maze of groovy scripts, making setup and troubleshooting a pain. Argo CD's declarative approach with YAML simplifies the whole process, making it a breeze even for teams who are new to Kubernetes. Jenkins indeed paved the way for CI/CD, but for AI deployments, Argo CD is clearly the winner. From seamless Kubernetes integration to GitOps and scalability, Argo CD delivers what modern AI workflows demand. If you are ready to master Argo CD and Argo Workflow and level up your DevOps game, make sure to check out my course on Argo Workflows. You will learn how to automate deployments, manage Kubernetes clusters, and deploy applications like a pro. Link in the description. Are you still using Jenkins for AI deployments, or have you made the switch to Argo CD? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more DevOps content.